Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Game Center activity not visible to friends on Mac. So if your friends can't see your game activity even though you are playing the supported games, the most common reason is activity sharing settings. If you set it to no one, then your friends isn't actually see the Game Center activity. So to fix this issue, first click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. After that, click on the drop down menu right to Activity Sharing and choose Friends Only if you want only your friends to see your activity, and choose Everyone if you want it to be visible to all players. Also make sure the other person has already been added to your Game Center friends list if you're using the friends only option. Once you update the settings, your supported games activity should become visible according to the privacy option you have selected. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.